Hello humble bakers! Samahan nyo akong mag-bake ng chocolate chip cookies. I'm going to use my new stand mixer by the way. This is the Hamilton Beach 8 quarts or 8 liters commercial grade. So nag-invest ako sa bagong commercial grade stand mixer. Tilt back head, all metal gears, 8 liters capacity. Stainless steel yung bowl with 2 handles. It comes with heavy duty attachment like yung stainless steel beater, dough hook, and wire whisk. With cover or splash shield, die-cast aluminum. It weighs around 12 kilograms. So heavy duty talaga siya. So by the way, commercial grade means more durable, high performance versus other household mixers. It's 220 to 240 volts at 1500 watts versus KitchenAid na nasa 6 liters lang yung capacity at 590 watts. It's 7 speed dial plus pulse. NSF approved or National Sanitation Foundation approved siya for food safety. 2 years yung commercial warranty na kasama. Hamilton Beach brand manufacturing company is an American designer and distributors of commercial restaurant equipments like mixers, blenders, etc. Established in 1911, so more than 113 years na in the business. So gawan ko siguro to ng separate reviews, yung mixer. I'll just need to try use it more. Since it's my first time to use the Baker Lux oven, I need to do trial and error for the baking temperature and time of cookies. So I'm using before Ariana manual at 140 degrees Celsius and binibake ko to ng 16 to 18 minutes. Let's try it here. Preheat natin yung temp at 140 degrees Celsius. Baking temp at 140 degrees Celsius. For humidity, 0 and fan at number 2 speeds. Almost 3 minutes and 37 seconds yung preheating time niya at 140 degrees Celsius. After 16 minutes, i-check na natin yung cookies. So ito yung cookies after 16 minutes. I want more browning and crispier. So add lang ako ng 2 more minutes. Now it's perfect. Then i-preset na natin yung oven. Preheating temperature at 150 degrees Celsius. So nag-add lang ako ng 10 more degrees Celsius para once in-open natin yung oven at nilagay yung mga cookies, still nasa around 140 to 145 degrees Celsius pa rin yung baking temp at hindi bumaba ng less than 140 Celsius. Time set natin ng 18 minutes, 0 humidity, fan at number 2, then long press natin yung P2 to record the settings. This is a very smart oven. Very useful yung presetting mode niya. Like if you have staff, mas less yung human error. Consistent yung quality ng baked goods. For these cookies, it took me around 22 minutes of baking including na yung preheating time. So that's 3.2 kilowatt yung oven times 80% equals 2.56 kilowatts. If 12 pesos yung rate per kilowatt sa area namin, that's 12 pesos times 2.56 equals, so that's 30.72 pesos per 1 hour. So for 22 minutes, that's approximately 12 pesos. So 24 pieces ng cookies, i-divide natin yung 12 pesos, approximately 50 centavos lang per cookies ang electric cost or bill using Unox Baker Lux Shop Pro or Ariana LED. Make sure lang to make a big batch of baking para efficient ang electric bill at labor cost. I can say that this is one of the most smartest convection oven in the market right now. At 95,000 pesos, it's a good investment for those micro and small bake shop business owners. Yun lang, salamat!